Why is that full? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, see now, so it's on. Right? Can you hear me on YouTube now? What the fuck is going on? Can you hear me on YouTube now? For some reason, when I pulled this up, the properties, it works. I'm just gonna leave that. I think it's working on YouTube now. I think it's working on YouTube if I have this properties up. But when I get rid of it, wait, is that working? Yeah, okay, we're good. I don't know what the fuck happened there. That was weird. Sorry guys. Back to it. Sorry. That was super weird. Yeah, I think I got it now. That was super fucking weird. I don't even know. I feel like people have no knowledge about risk management. Yeah, I know. It's very true, yes. People just full port every trade and expect, oh, if you don't flip your account in fucking one day, it's terrible. What up, Dane? How are you? What's the easiest way to get into this, and are you guaranteed profits or are there better hustles? That's a fantastic question, Vorks, if you're still in here. That's a fantastic question. The easiest way to get into this, I wouldn't say there's any easy way to get into this. It can be quite complicated. Finding someone you can trust is probably the easiest way. This industry is fucking horrible. And you're not guaranteed profits at all. No way. Because you have no idea what's going to happen next. There's no best side hustle, right? It depends on who you are, right? You can go into business and do pretty good in business, but you have to be face to face. It's most likely going to have lots of sales incorporating face to face shit. With this, you can kind of just stay at home and do your thing, you know? So it really depends on your personality and what you kind of want to do with your life. With this, you can slow things down and focus on other projects too. I don't know if I answered that the best way, but yeah. Is it raining for you? No. We can hear you? Sweet, yep. Please buy my course, it's $10,000 and I make around 435, bro. Bro, I see that shit all the time, man. I literally see that shit all the time. Just because I have a trading TikTok, it just fucking blasts my TikTok. I barely even touch this fucking go on TikTok anymore because it's just so shit. You know, does this make you a lot of money? It depends on your account size, really. Thank you, 3 Alchemy, for letting me know. Is that you? Crypt City? Tradie Ticks. I don't know what that is, Rob. What is that? What's a great way to start for a beginner? Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Go watch the 1 hour beginners video. And then either join my mentorship or go into your own world of trading. You can always come and chat to me about anything through the Discord. Just send me a private message, put it in the community chat, something. I'm here to help. I've done 2K. Are you serious already? Holy shit! We got some likers today. Sienna, 2.5 already. Fucking hell. 3 Alchemy, 700. Sleepy, 241. Fair King, 170. Dot, 155. Dane, 140. Butchie Boy, what's good? 135. Travis Scott. Oh my god, Travis Scott's in here. Straight up! 88. H1 like. Thank you. Thank you guys very much for the support. We need to get this TikTok shit going because they fucking hate me. So I appreciate the support. Everything of futures? Nah, I don't like how they expire. Can hear the music on YouTube, but there's some distortion as if it's also in here. Is it better now? Hopefully it's better now. Everything is relative to discipline. Yep, very true, C4. Very true. I believe trading takes a lot more time to be profitable compared to other hustles, but yes and no. There's very little overheads with trading. That's the difference, is you have very little overheads. It's a capital problem with the majority of people. Hey bro, what up? How are you? Also, don't forget, not everyone can become a profitable trader. Yeah, I agree with that. Adri? Oh, you're Adri. Oh, sweet. Cool. What the fuck? Bro, the amount of fake accounts is crazy, is it? We've made it. Not really, but fuck, sorry about that. I literally cannot do a single fucking thing about it. Many of these guys online are just making money from the memberships and not the actual trading. Legit. Bro, if I was just making money from the fucking memberships, I would live in a tent. Like, legit. I've made it so cheap that it literally doesn't pay for anything. Which is like on me. But whatever. What are you in right now? I'm in a lot of positions. Better? Sweet. Damn, for real. Yeah. Absolutely criminal. What's criminal, Waddy? Let's get rolling. We're gonna keep tabs on the amount of members that join. We're so close. Maverick, welcome. What is this? Engaged in suspected spam activity. I've never seen that before. I don't think I want him in the Discord if... Well, that... I don't believe that. 0 to 500k funded in less than a year. Oh, probably. You can get lucky, but yeah. We'll keep an eye on him. But yes, Discord, linked in my bio. Get the fuck in there. Get in there. I need to make this more engaging. I don't know how to do that, but maybe we start like some fitness shit. Fitness, you know what I'm saying? See, old me would have done it, right? Old me would have said it, and then I would have got fucking banned. Very be careful who to trust, it's a dangerous place. Oh, dude, 100%. E92 Cruise. Thank you very much for following me. Yeah, man, it's bad, bro. Like, even, you know, people that I've had meetings with, you know, they hit me up and want to get in a meeting with me, and, you know, the way yeah, it's just, I'm not going to expose everyone, or even though I do all the time, I just can't really be fucked right now. It's just cooked. This industry fucking sucks. We're almost at 10k likes already. Let's go. I'm also gonna start plugging my personal Instagram. I'm gonna start plugging my personal Instagram and getting the personal Instagram going. I just, you know what's really exciting is like the opportunities, like people that discover you and think, oh fuck, this guy can do a lot of shit. He can go far. Let's try and work together. That is exciting to me. Bro, I wish you could actually expose some of these guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna, like, I'll never say names, but man, there's some big people that I've spoken to. Like, it's fucking great, man. I don't even have 4,000 fucking followers on TikTok, and I've spoken to some, like, seriously wealthy and, what's the word, popular people. It's fucking nuts. That excites me when I can, you know, speak to some, but a lot of them have just been like business focused, getting meetings for business related stuff that I don't want to be a part of. Man, there was just one guy with fucking, he's like 40,000 people in his fucking Discord that I had a meeting with, and I just wanted, like, could have ended up a lot of money for me, but I just didn't want to do it because, you know, I'm not the disingenuous person that they all are. Crypto trading? Nah. Forex, currencies. If you could have a superpower, what would you have? I had this conversation with my girlfriend the other day when we were doing that little, I don't know if anyone was in here, but we were doing that little couple quiz thing. Fuck, what was mine? What was my superpower? Oh, time travel. Time travel. I'm obsessed with like dystopian cyber city future shit. No Fear B's here. What up, B? How you doing? How you feeling? We okay? Please also don't believe anyone who promoting prop firms. Yeah, definitely not. I am working on, man, I'm non-stop getting hit up for fucking prop firm shit. So I am thinking about figuring out something that the prop firm diehards can do, but I genuinely don't want to, but you know, some people are just so focused on that, then yeah. Hi, hello. Jordan, what's good? Hi. I don't care about trading pool. I don't care, but trading pool is bad person because he knows what Finedex does, but he still promotes. Yeah, I know. I lose too much money. That's not good. Is Tom Trades your personal Instagram, or do you have an actual one? No, I have an actual one. I'll put it in here. Like, I just have like a personal one that I've always had. It doesn't have like fuck all people on it, but yeah, that's my. But I'm gonna, I don't know, switch some things up and just make that. That other Instagram, I want nothing to do with. I'm probably just gonna delete it. That was just when I was starting out, and I just had to figure out some way to build some form of an audience. Lol, I gotta go. Bye. I might be back on later. See you later, Sienna. Thank you very much for the likes. 4K, fucking hell. 3 alchemies gone. Fucking nuts. Jesus. Thank you, guys. Here we go. DanCon, back. I'm excited. Yo, mister, I think fair value gaps run the market. What's going on? Yes, let's go. Do you want to have a constructive conversation, or are you just gonna come in here and talk shit? Worldly, what's good? It's been a while. How are you? Followed? Thank you. Thank you. July 15 FOMC predictions? Absolutely no clue. Good to see you too, bro. Tom, could you please explain about a good risk management? It depends on your strategy. It really depends on your strategy. Like, my risk management is strict, but it's so unconventional and makes sense to the majority of people. But I will explain it in a second. Bro, every time I come in and try and explain how the industry really is, but you get angry. I don't think I've ever gotten angry on a stream ever. I'm like I might just come across as maybe, but that's just what I talk like. I think everyone knows that. I just fucking, yeah. Bird chop with the heart me and the go popular. If you actually saw me like me angry, I'm like a fucking, just act like a, I don't even know. It's just, yeah. But you can come in here and try and tell me how it works or whatever. I'm happy with that. Yeah, sure. Yours. Yes, okay, yeah, give me 1 second. Hi. Hello. Tom is never angry. DanCon speaking facts. Yeah. Yep. Absolutely. What can you do? So my risk management, hold up. Let's have a look, sorry. And we got a new member. Marcelo, what's good? So my risk management, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I go based off of my drawdown. So if I'm in a certain amount of drawdown percent, I will start scaling out of my positions, right? I'll take, because the drawdown is the only kind of Achilles heel in my strategy. So let's just say, for example, right? Let's just pretend this isn't a fucking 5-minute chart and this is an hourly chart, right? So let's say I got in here, that's a terrible example, but okay, let's just say I have 4 positions here. My break even is here, maybe here. Let's say my break even's here and my take profits here. So I have a few ways in terms of risk management that I'll deal with this if we have a continuation up, right? So let's just say we got in multiple positions, we accumulated, didn't get out of profit, and then we pushed up again, right? So I can scale in some more, and then if we start getting up to these levels here, right, where I start getting uncomfortable, I'm in maybe like 3-4% of drawdown, what I'll do is I'll start canceling out some of these positions, or I'll start taking a third to a half of the lot size off of this position, right? And then maybe some off of this one. And what that does is it reduces my drawdown percent in the event that it continues up. So let's just say it continues up and then boom, I get in another position. What I can also do is I can get in aggressively, right? So let's just say there was this position and then we get this double top here. So I could go in super aggressively, and on this entire position, I could do half of the total lot size in an aggressive position and do like a conventional strategy where I'll put a stop above here, and then that brings my break even all the way up here, so I can get out nice quickly, you know, if we were to touch last week's high, something like that. So it is a complicated process, and I very rarely have to do that, but sometimes I do. But I have to monitor my drawdown constantly, which is what I do. I don't set stop losses, I don't need to, but only for something like a very aggressive position to try and get out of this. If it was like a big fundamental squeeze, I would try and get out in like an aggressive position to get into my break even, to maybe take out break even or even get into profit, where I can make up for the difference in the scale outs, and even if I take an overall small loss in that position, like a 0.25, 0.5%, the amount that I banked throughout the month, it's not gonna take too much of a like a hit on my monthly profits. Like say for instance, you know, this month, last month, as I showed you guys, oh shit, wrong one. As I showed you guys last month's profits, we ended up on 9%, 1.8% drawdown with 21 open trades, right? Like, if I was to take off 2% of this and took it back to 6%, and if I got stuck in a couple of squeezes and I had to, cancel out multiple positions, which very rarely happens, we're still in the green on a 6%, just below the average. So, well, my average. So I'm not particularly that worried about those sorts of squeezes. You know, if there was something really hard and I did have to cancel out some of the positions and take a loss on something, it wouldn't, because I would have banked so much throughout the month, it wouldn't make that much of a dent on the account overall. US dollar CAD, is that what you were asking? US dollar UC? US dollar CAD? Sorry if you're still in here. Arithmetic. Let me know if you're still in here, sorry. Thank you for following me too. And thank you DanCon for following me, I'm surprised. But thank you. Is this something good to learn? It's a good skill, yeah. If you have the time. Yes. Do you set a stop loss? I answer that. Risk management is essential. Have you seen the new challenge for Alex Guy in Miami? Oh, God. Yeah. No, I don't know. I know Lamborghini. That was just some B-roll video that I saw on the internet. The thing with doing that, right? Posting videos on fucking TikTok and shit, is it boosts your lives. Like, people see that and then click on your lives, but we have 6 fucking viewers in here. TikTok just hates me. It's so fucked. It's actually fucked. What can you do? Yeah, I haven't seen that, but yeah. My strategy is like it's very hard to explain. It's like a mean reversion, dollar cost averaging, martingale hybrid strategy. It's very unconventional. They blew about 2 to 3 1K accounts and now finally they're in profit. Yeah, it is gambling. It is. And then, but it's smart what they do, right? And I'll explain exactly what they do. Is your account 5 figures? I'm not going to answer that. Thanks a lot for the explanation. All good. That new video. Alright, yep. Lorene Haley. Thank you very much for following me. What are we trading today? Forex. Everything. Is Pengu going? I don't fucking know. What's that? Can't really answer it. Nah, I can't. It's more than that. But I can't. I got in trouble. I can't. Go run up the new video if you haven't seen it. No, I literally can't. Is this just a fucking coin promotion account? Lorene Haley. I feel like it is, but we'll look at it anyway because I'm feeling happy. I mean, it just looks like any other meme coin, to be honest. If you bought it in January, you're like broke. Olivia Pro, thank you very much for following me. No, definitely not. I'm new to this. Alright. All good. Should have bought Pengu like a month ago. Whatever. Bro, I believe crypto and meme coins are just scams and a waste of time to spend. If you want to try and go for Forex, yeah, I agree. However, if you get lucky on someone's scam, you can make a lot of money, but yeah, the majority of them are. They're all bullshit. Bad day on the stocks, eh? I don't trade stocks. Maori Mamba? No stocks here. What the hell? What am I doing? Maybe this. The fuck? How are we looking? Jesus, 3 Alchemy, 7.2, Sienna 4K, Rabbit Drop Air 1K, Sleepy 310, Butchie Boy 266, Fair King 176, Dot 155. I still don't know who this Dot is. I still don't know who they are. But they're always coming in being like, when's the masterclass dropping? So I feel like they're in the mentorship, but I have no idea who they are. They've never said, I've asked every time, are you in the, who are you? And they never said anything. Dane, thank you very much. And straight up, Travis Scott, thank you very much. Why do you only trade during the day? What? What? You cannot depend on luck, especially with trading. Yep, you need a proper system and strategy, 100%. So when a meme coin can be used to buy and sell real estate with a real utility, that's gold. Well, I'm confused at what you're saying, sorry. I'm confused. Can you mention your mentor? Absolutely not. He probably wouldn't be happy about that. I don't have a mentor anymore. Like, for fucking years, I haven't had a mentor. Yet I haven't seen one. Can you buy real estate with Bitcoin? Is still alive, yeah. I think ages ago, I fucking said, I was like, oh, he's not around anymore. And I don't know, I feel like it was you. You were like, oh, sorry to hear that. Or somebody was like, sorry to hear that, sorry to hear that. I was like, he's not dead. No one would know who the fuck he is. Can you buy real estate with Bitcoin? Yeah, I believe you can. Yeah. Surely some fucking real estate agent somewhere. Nah, I'm not saying the name. I'm the mentor now. Fees to one rouse with Bitcoin. Fuck, my nose is itchy. Bro, these viewers today are fucking atrocious. Okay, I'm the captain now. The views today are absolutely fucking awful. And it's Turbo Tuesday. Onerous. I don't know what that means. Sounds like a word that I don't know. But I always like listening to a task of responsibility involving a great deal of effort, trouble, or difficulty.
Onerous.
Onerous.
Onerous. Onerous.
Onerous. Chill fucking whale. Later, sleepies. Good to talk to you too. You have a good one. Holy shit. Chill whale pulling through with the Heart Me Community Fest, the Rose, You're Awesome, Ice Cream Cone, GG, TikTok, love you so much, Heart Puff, and Go Popular. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. We're struggling with the viewers today. TikTok's not liking me, so thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Don't say thank you to me, motherfucker. Thank you. Nice quote. What's the quote? Hit a line. Fucking every time. No. It's just, I don't even know. My nose is just itchy. I have like terrible fucking hay fever all the time. Ozpex Gaming, thank you very much for following me. Hey, I'm new to trading. What are the requirements to open an account and start trading? I don't recommend opening a live account. I recommend opening a demo account, and I believe you just have to be 18. I chucked my broker in my bio too, because so many people asked my broker, so I put my broker in my bio. Enormous. Crypto, what about it? Oh yeah, it's good to talk to you too. Let's get this shit off my screen too. When's a good time to invest? I don't do long-term investing. Thank you, sir. Alright. And thank you. Again, chill well. Have you trading? Oh, yep. On TradingView. I don't trade on TradingView. I trade on MetaTrader 4. When's a good time to start trading? Now. Thanks, bro. Are you trading cryptocurrency? No. Thought I'm putting money into Colonial First Estate and letting them roll my money. I knew I'd What do you mean by roll your money? Terminology that I don't understand. Roll your money. Long-term investing on what? I don't long-term invest. Robinhood 297 today. I don't even know what. I heard of it. Never paid attention to it or really cared. To be completely honest, laddie. You guys see the musical suite? Hold up, give me one second. I'm gonna check. Come on. Oh, that's that. Can't hear the music at all. Is that better? Sorry. Yeah, that was awful. Sorry. You literally can't hear the fucking music at all. Is that better? Can you hear it now? Yeah, sorry guys, sorry. What's a good starting point for trading, like money-wise, to invest? It depends. That's a subjective thing because everybody's different, you know. People have different amounts of money that they have to spare, but my recommendation would be a couple of grand. You can do it with less, but it's just my recommendation. How do you invest? I don't. Long term. You can convert stocks into crypto now. I've tried to tell him there's something against crypto. I don't have anything too against crypto. It's what people perceive crypto to be, which is some money-making machine that you can, you know, dump a shitload of money into Bitcoin and you're gonna become a fucking millionaire overnight, you know. The sound, sorry. What are you trading? Forex, currencies, Trey? God, we are not doing too good with views today. We are really not doing too good with views. This is pretty bad. This is like when I first started bad. What do we do to fix this? Guys, what the fuck do we do to fix this? This is fucked. Like, I actually don't know. It's purely TikTok not promoting me at all. Like they did for a couple of weeks and it was nuts. We had so many viewers, the chat was fucking rolling like crazy, everything was going nuts. And then I got suspended and now look, 306 fucking viewers. What is this bullshit? The actual fuck, what do I do? How do I fucking, like, it's just me. I don't have some fucking team of fucking people to help me promote shit. I posted a fucking video because apparently that fixes your fucking, that gives you all fucking viewers and shit. It did the complete opposite. Hey bro, when to enter? Join the mentorship and you'll know exactly when to enter. It depends. Pamul, I don't know what that is. But they're tokenized gold and other things, just different world. Crypto actually did better when stocks went down. Probably, yeah. Ricky, thank you very much for following me. Exit if trend reverses, re-enter bounds, or trailing stop loss. What the actual fuck? This is like I'm so motivated this week, and this is the most demotivating shit. Are the energy drink any good? Bro, the best. There's a reason why I fucking go there to buy them. As I get a blistering headache, probably from staring at a fucking ring light. Oh, we've got one. Oh, I wish there were more people in here. Harry. What? Like, what do you mean? No shit, I said what? You just randomly said that. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Let's have a look. Please tell me you have. Damn it, you don't have. Damn, you'd think, seems like you're Christian, you'd think like you'd be a little bit more accepting of other people, eh? Dude, he's just said some random shit. Start a battle to gain algorithm. I actually have to do that for TikTok. I have to win one live match. Let's just do it. And then, actually if I win a match, then I get more diamonds, and then I get more flares for promotion. Alright, I'll do it. You're on. It's good. Yaron, you're on. I don't know how to pronounce it. EuroUSD is going to the moon again, is it? Oh, right, yeah, long term. Yeah, it's been fucit has been gone pretty crazy. What else has pound CAD? I think maybe it's pound US dollar as well. Which is pretty much the same. There's one that I looked at yesterday and I was like, holy shit. I can't remember what it was. I'm agnostic, not that it's relevant, okay. First way you said it. Iran? I don't know how I first. Bro brought up religion after he couldn't understand basic trading logic. What? Basic trading? I know what that is. I just said what because I didn't know why you were saying that. Like, you just randomly fucking said some random trading terminology. Like, what the fuck? Dude. Oh, I can't even with people on the internet. Oh, we got some YouTube. Oh, sorry. I didn't see you on YouTube. I apologize for that. How time consuming is this? Depends what your strategy is. The way that I trade, it's very versatile and you can make it a lot less time consuming. You'll just get less entries and essentially make less money. But you're also risking less, which means that you're not as stressed. I don't even know how to do this. How do I even do this again? I actually don't even know how to do this. Win one live match, I'll click on this. Don't do your back end? Yeah, I won't. What do you trade? Not coins? Nah, Forex, currencies. Win one live match, go. How do you do this? Oh. Oh. Is it co-host? Or multi-guest? Guest? I think it's co-host. Yeah, it's co-host. Lash plug. Alright. This is the shit thing though. We have no viewers. So no one's gonna wanna get in here, you know? I think that was like some Pokemon thing or something. Oh god. This is gonna suck. I'm gonna put this over here and you guys can talk amongst yourselves while I figure out how the fuck to do this. Jesus. Oh, I'm so not acting normal. Absolutely no way. Oh, we got one. Oh, we've got one. We've got one. What's good?
Please, are you looking at me or are you looking at you?
Sorry, yes, I'm looking at you. Yes.
Ah, there you go. A little bit more to your left. Look.
What's good?
Cause I don't know how to battle, bro.
Just click on, I don't know either. Just click on something.
Hey, Steve, let's kick his ass.
Oh, you reckon?
I'm trying to make dinner and you want to battle? You're crazy.
Oh, you're in for it.
Battle in my life.
You're in for a treat. You're in for a treat with me.
Come back me up. I've never done a battle before, bro. What do you do? Just play on your computer and battle.
Meow. 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 Meow.
What the hell is this? Hey, Stallion, what the hell is
Meow.
this?
Meow.
Crazy. This guy's weirdo. Where some dudes are cooked as these. Hey, Steve, can you back me up, man? How do I do this? I've never done this. And this guy's cooked out. Look at him. What the hell? Look at him.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
I gotta kick my ass.
Imagine if this is how we win.
Meow.
What you sound? Your mom's gonna get upset at you.
Meow.
Yeah, I don't even care about this thing.
Hi, I'm back.
Rachel, I'm the only one, bro. Don't worry about it. Don't say anything. Don't worry about it.
I gotta get the last drops of this drink out. Holy shit, 3 alchemy. And oh my god. I gotta.
Now, you know what? Now I just want to hit up everyone and be like, why can't we just keep this guy? Nah, I don't care. I'm having dinner, bro. I'm having dinner. You're yelling some weird ass sound.
I
want to end this. Bro, how do I get out of this? Mama, stop. Stop to you. Bro, I don't even know how this guy got me in a fucking battle league. And this cunt's yelling some weird ass fucking language. Look at him. Hey, you know what's the crazy thing? Bro, I know. You know what's the crazy thing? Like a lot of people are like supporting him, so I'm like, wow. Hey, this guy does anything. I have no idea. I don't know. He's cooked, bro. I don't know what's up with this dude, bro. Straight out. I honestly don't know what's wrong with him. Kind of ruined my life, eh? Yeah.
No.
That's how he wins his battle? I find it weird. Some people might find that easy, but anyway. I should just like get up for the full game. Send this guy back to the factory. Nah, that's sad. That's sad, man. That's sad. That's sad. That's sad. I'm not gonna. I take that back. I'll take that back. I take that back, bro. I was joking. Carry on biting your hand. I'm sorry. Carry on. Why you make my dinner taste y'all? Why you make my dinner taste y'all? Don't do that. Don't put me off my dinner.
I don't know how to end this, not gonna lie.
Can I end this, bro? Can I end this?
Yeah, I don't know how to end this.
How do I get this guy out of here?
I don't know how to end it. End it somehow. I don't know how to.
I forgot to stitch up with this wanker. Straight up.
It was nice to meet you. I don't know how to end it.
Hey, look, Natalie, I got no idea what this guy's up to, bro. He's fighting a can. I think that's how he wins his battles, but I've never had a battle in my life, so.
That's like my third one.
I don't know what's up with this dude, man.
That's like my third battle. I had to do it for TikTok. I don't know how do you end it? How do you fucking end it? There's nothing here. Oh, there you go. See you later. Nice to meet you. Have a good night. Enjoy your dinner.
Enjoy your can.
Ew.
25 PSI. Thank you, guys. Holy shit. We pulled through. Fucking hell. I don't even know where that started, Chihuahua. Go Popular, Rose, Community Fest, Ice Cream Cone, you're awesome. GG, TikTok, love you so much. Heart Puff, you're awesome. Rose, Heart Me, Rose, Heart Puff, GG. Ice Cream Cone, Finger Heart, Tiny Diney, Jelly Snakes. Holy shit! 13 Community Fest. Fluffy Penguin, fighting. Community Fest, what the fuck? Guys, thank you guys very much. Thank you again. Thank you very much. We won it. We got the TikTok thing. the win one live match. Which means that I think we got another flare. We did! We got another tier 2. Oh, we're so close to tier 3s. Please. Please give me the tier 3s. Make this a little bit bigger. Thank you guys very much for that. You made that happen. I did. That guy had like 30 viewers too, I think. Holy fuck, we have a lot of comments. Hold up, let me, okay, he's so confused, was he? When you go into involved to Mewtwo Kitty. Hi, what bot do you use? I just watched one of you. I use my own, I developed it. It's for the mentorship guys. Don't do drugs or trade kids. I don't do drugs. Never have. Tom, what bot? Oh yeah, it's that. Are you okay? Oh my fuck. What? Why are you guys freaking out? You need to regulate. Calm down. What? My bro's cooked, the other one is cooking. That's a good one. 444 breathing helps. This guy must be from the South Island. I had a proper laugh now, thanks Tom. It's over. Tom, you having a meltdown? Nah, what do you mean? Bro, I hope you never see him on the street. Why? Team it. We won? We did win, thank you guys. Reminds me of this movie, Bad Boy Bubby. What is it? Never lose with me, I know. Thank you very much. Okay, bye, I'll find my own bot. I literally just said that. I told you. Why are all good traders loose units? Do you know how insane I go from fucking... Bro, I literally... Hold on, I gotta look pretty again. My hair's all fucked up. That'll do. Whatever. Yeah, I go insane. I'd sit in an apartment by myself. All day, every day. What's the biggest profits you've made? It was on US dollar yen in 2023, November, intervention. Which wallet would you suggest for holding crypto? I don't know. I don't really do crypto. Why do you keep following me? I don't know. Phantom, Coinbase. I don't fucking know. I think I cut myself and my lips a bit fucked up. Ah, it's Alex. What's good? What do you do if not crypto? Forex. Also, Tom, I've said it about 10 times. It's one that I developed and it's for the mentorship guys. It's my own bot. When you come across a wicked as set up, it makes you go crazy. No more 9 to 5. Yeah, fuck 9 to 5s. Yuck. That's disgusting. Get that word out of our live stream. Guys, the viewers today, what the fuck was even that? Come on. Thank you to Whale and 3 Alchemy again for pulling through with the live. I'm putting a flare up. It's fucking stupid. Why is it so dead today? I'm so motivated this week. If I get one more of these bot, if you say it one more time, I'm going to mute you. You made a bot, yes. Do you use Pepperstone? No, I use Blackwell Markets. The link is in my bio as of today. Because everyone keeps asking. So you need to gain followers through collaboration with other TikTokers. Yeah, but like, man, I gotta be here and I gotta be on the computer and working and shit. I don't have the time to go out and do fucking collabs and shit. I might, like I'm planning a little bit of a break, not from the community, but from trading, maybe for like a week or two, where I might go away or some shit. So we'll see. But you have to be presentable, none of that can biting, do collabs through the live. Oh, right, oh, nah. New here, what's your take on DAX? I don't know. I don't know. I haven't traded the DAX for a while and PR daily, I apologize. I used to trade indices, I don't trade them at the moment. I was thinking about going back potentially. However, I'm not too sure. We have that meeting today, which it's like, what is it? The policy panel discussion in Sumatra. So I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. Oh, the dollar index. Oh, I don't know. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, I don't really want to do collabs through live. This is actually fucked. This viewership is so fucked. What is this? Play Grow a Garden? No. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know, guys. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck to do here. Fuck this, I'm having a break. I'll be back in 5 minutes or some shit. This is cooked. This is absolutely cooked. Like, I don't know what the fuck. Like, pay promotion. I heard it's bad though. The trade is this one, buddy. Oh, what up, Trish? Fuck, it's been a while. How you doing? I don't want that on my screen. I don't want that there. I don't want, oh God, man, I've cooked it. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Meow. Meow.
What the hold up, guys, hold up. I will be back in 2 seconds. Hold up. Right, set. Yeah, okay, now the fucking live has more people in it. Hold up, I'll be back in a couple minutes. It's so cold outside. We're switching things up. We're switching things up. Because what the actual fuck? We're switching it up. It's the tank there that you want. Shut up! It has. I'm really good, thank you. Been lurking in the Discord. Sweet, sweet. The Discord's not. The Discord is. Nobody talks in there. It's like talk. Talk to each other. Where's the talking? We got almost 400 people in there. And people, the problem is, right, we need a lot more. We need like 4,000 for the conversations to be really rolling. But the problem is that people get motivated for 3.5 seconds and then give up. They just give up. It's like, come on. Bro, let me teach you how to top tick. The fuck is top tick? What pair is he trading here, guys? I'm in a lot of positions. It's fucking Eurocad. And it's tweaking out because my fucking VPS. Maybe this was the one that I saw that was just going parabolic. Yeah. So we got in down here on this reversal. We just pumped straight back up to here, another fucking one. Came back down, didn't take my TP out. And we came back up here for a third entry. We would have hit break even, but we didn't quite get to our TP, so I wouldn't mind dropping that down substantially to try and get a. I could probably turn this into a pretty substantial swing trade, and I could possibly even target last week's low and make a couple of % off of that one singular trade, because this is a pretty good one. But I don't know if I can kind of be fucked monitoring it like that. But yeah, I'm in a few. What can I buy right now in the Forex market? Well, this is not a bad, if you're looking for a swing trade, I don't mind the looks of US dollar CAD. You need confidence, cope break. For sure. What up, Sticky? You still in here? It's good to see you. We're getting railed in terms of viewership today. Which sucks, but is Migsy in here? Why is it cold in the UK? Oh yeah, you right there. Hello. Hello, Migsy. How are you? How's the S&P 500? I don't know. Let's have a look. Bullish. Quite bullish. All-time highs. Nice, nice. I'm not surprised we had a little bit of a pop after jumping up to all-time highs. That's pretty standard. So whether that will have a continuation today, I'm not too sure. Obviously we got that fucking meeting today. So we'll see what comes of that. And then that will probably influence the direction. Why did we have a spike? One second. Day was going so good. Turbo Tuesday, like fuck. I don't know why there was a big pop. Can't see. I don't think Euro P might have done that. I guess it did. Just finished work. Nice, nice. How what were you today? Yeah. Give it a break. Have a day off. Meegsy. Fucking hell. Almost 20k for 3 alchemy. Thank you very much. Holy shit. We hit 100k for the last 2 days. In terms of likes. Thank you. And if you haven't already, go like my new TikTok. Just like it. I just need something to pop off so we can get some more followers, more viewers, all that shit. I need the added pressure and stress of more people. I literally need it. There's nothing happening at my workplace. Guess everyone is either in bed, in front of the fire, or on. Tro. That's shit. Toshi, alright. It's gonna be the same as any other time I would do analysis on that, is I don't fucking know. We'll have a look at it. In the last 7 days, we've done virtually nothing. Down 6%. If you bought in 2023, you would have made a bit of money. I don't know, man. I don't really fuck with that stuff. Vino G-Bus and Ahmed. Thank you guys very much for following me. What's good? Holy shit, Worldly sent a fucking hat and a mustache? What the fuck? Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. I was DCA at 90. Nice. Silver Lady, what's good? Reduce the Red Bull, take care. No. How are you though? It's good to see you back. Yeah, I know. I have dropped it down a bit. I've dropped it down a bit. But, I worked, you know, like, late nights, fucking, I was literally working till 4:30 a.m. last night. What about Ansol? I have no idea, man. Absolutely no idea. I'm good, silver creeping up. I think silver is a fantastic long-term investment. However, like, it hasn't been doing that much. I think it will be very good. 10-15 years time. Pipsqueak, be quiet. You spelled quiet wrong. Slow and steady. Yeah, definitely for silver. Absolutely. Absolutely. I have plans. I have some big plans. A lot of that rides on us just popping off a little bit. We did. And I had, you know, things were going so fucking good until I got randomly suspended for gambling. And then the viewers went from averaging like 80, 90 to this shit. What the fuck? You're rocking a fair value gap indicator on your chart. Originally called wide range bars, thank you very much. That's what I call them. And yes, I developed it. I use fair value gaps just for take profit levels. They aren't the most reliable thing in the world, but they are decent for targeting exits. That's about it. They're just not that reliable. But price does tend to gravitate towards them on a higher time frame. So I do like to target them for exits occasionally. Good girl are red down low. Okay. Josh Barnard, thank you very much for following me. Unemployed boss. Sure. Do you gotta time it right before they close and open? Do you have to time it right before they close and open? I don't try and time it. So when I look for exits, right, I'll show you what I'd be looking for exits. Right, so let's say I'm in this EuroCAD right now. If I was looking for strong exits, I mean, there's nothing really here. There's a tiny gap here, which I could look to target for my exits, but my take profit's already here. I could look for price to come down towards here, which does align with resistance that could possibly turn into support. So if I was to change my TP, I would probably put it around here. That's standard practice. I just look at them for somewhat of a bias towards take profits. But I'll look at a lot of other different things with that. It's just a bit of a helping hand. Sienna, you're back. Hello. What's going on? What do you think of funded accounts? I think funded accounts are not a good thing for beginner traders. I don't think any beginner trader should look at getting funded. I think funded accounts are a get-rich-quick scheme, like any other scheme, as it implies that you might be able to make, you know, you have this vision of having all this money at your disposal that you can trade with, right? What prop firms do is they make the rules so strict that it's very, very, very difficult to pass the challenges in the first place, let alone get to a payout. Now, because prop firms are solely based off of your challenge fees, so the way that they make money is just from you failing your challenges. They make it as hard as possible. So they're not particularly very good for beginner traders because they don't understand those sorts of things, and most of them understand that just see the, oh my god, I could have a $100,000 account that I can play with and trade with and make a shitload of money from, which is just definitely not the case. Why do I have a reminder? Work. Yes. That was 4.5 hours ago. Mark? What strategy do you use? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. Reese Crichton, thank you very much for following me. Aped Useless. I don't know what that is. And Sienna, no. Xander did not come in. Angelo, thank you very much for following me. Let's get the viewers up. Make sure you're liking the stream and following and all of that shit. You shared it to him? I had to turn my shares back on. I had to turn them off because it was fucking, I was getting spammed with them. Angelo, thank you very much for liking. You will end up here. Alright, the shares are turned back on. Thank you for sharing. Sienna? Is trading worth going to school for? Like to learn? Thank you very much for following me as well, Caps. I appreciate that. And thank you for sharing again, Sienna. Yes, like learning. Reese, thank you very much for following me again. Yeah, but learning about macroeconomics is pretty essential for trading. You can get the information on the internet, but it can be shit. Do you need to go to school for it? Debatable, but it definitely can get you ahead. Definitely can get you ahead. So I don't think it's the worst thing going to school for. It's just the debt that comes with that. It's like, is that really worth it? You know what I mean? Just wanted to hear the sound again. Oh, sweet. Make sure you're liking the stream. We've had a terrible fucking day today in regards of viewers, which I don't even fucking understand TikTok, what you're doing with this shit. They hate me. They hate me. Thank you. No worries. No stress. Any other questions? Chuck them in here. Chuck them in here. I'm an open book. Do you think going about fair value gaps is a good strategy? Well, it depends. I think taking trades off of fair value gaps is not a good idea. You just use them as like a backdoor tool. You know what I mean? What's your opinion on copy trading? Fantastic question. TikTok really doesn't like you. I know. How crazy was it? Like literally a week ago, before I got suspended, we were getting, at this point, we would have maybe 4,000 people that would have joined. We have 1,200. It's bullshit. TikToker, thank you guys very much for following me. We're rolling now. We're rolling. Thank you guys. Fucking. Oh, it's been a rough one today. I don't know why. Tommy, thank you very much for following me. Thank you. Copy trading's bullshit. Copy trading is fully bullshit. I got a bit of a insight into this industry. I got in a meeting with someone. Jay, thank you very much for following me. Thank you. I got into, because I expose everyone's bullshit, which is probably why not many people have been wanting to get in meetings with me recently, but I got in a meeting with someone where they invited me into a full Discord with a shitload of people that do this copy trading stuff, right? Now, what they do is they have a list of these copy trading providers. So let's just say I'm the face of this community, but I hire a copy trader that I pay, and they put all the trades through for people to copy trade. These copy traders, I went through it and was looking at, and I was like, these guys have fucking no clue what they're doing. It's all bullshit. And some of them were doing it for some pretty large influencers. So it's horseshit. What's your opinion on TJR? He made all his money from crypto, buying crypto early. He's a good marketer. I think he trades SMC, which I know a lot of real traders in this industry, people that aren't on the internet, and they all shit on smart money concepts and thinks it's the dumbest fucking thing ever. So I'll listen to them. I have no real opinion on him because I've never really watched any of his shit. I just know that he made the majority of his money off of crypto. He's a great marketer and he's a good influencer though. But yeah, I can only say so much on something that I don't know too much about. Anyway, guys, TikToker Tommy Dubs, Jay, CJ, So Cool, 124 Forex. Thank you guys very much. Do you have a course? I have a mentorship. I don't like to say course because I want to be, like, it's not just, oh, here, you go fucking watch the 5 or so hours of content that I have. I want you to go watch that and then get in a fucking call with me, which is not, I don't milk this shit, right? I don't fucking charge $5,000 for the fucking course material and then another $2,000 to get in a fucking call with me. It's $47 a month, right? You get my bot that I developed, my indicators that I developed for free, and you get to get in calls with me for free. I'm here. It's what I do. Right? Just got an alarming text message. What do you trade? I trade Forex. But yeah, anyway, so I want to have it more hands-on, one-on-one with the people instead of just having some fucking PDF or some video content that you guys go watch. I'm on top step, bruv, NASDAQ 100. Nice. Are you trading Forex? Jay, thank you again for following me. Anyway. Fuck, man. What do we gotta do for TikTok to pop us off, you know? Again, I don't know why the fuck they decided to get rid of their promotion that they were giving me. And shit was going so well, we're getting so many viewers, so many followers, blah, blah. Is Speedy on? How'd he go with all the drawdown? He's not on, but I'm sure he'd be okay with me telling you because he shares it anyway. He did alright. He ended up dropping the, you know what's crazy? That we have like fuck all people in the mentorship, right? It's a very small community. But we talk more in there than we do in my actual fucking Discord. And that comes down to people giving up, right? That's why there's so much value in actually paying, like making it a paid community, because people will actually start to do stuff. It's fucking insane. It's crazy. Anyway, he, I don't know what his drawdown is right now, but he did some drawdown control, a little bit of drawdown control. So he closed out a couple of the positions that were in drawdown, took a little loss, just to save his account because he's gone super aggressive. So, I'm sure it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm not too sure what the total drawdown is at the moment. I messaged him and asked him how he was doing with it, and then he sent that. The algorithm is horrible. Yeah, it's so weird, man. It's so weird. We are more entertaining in here than half of these fucking numbnuts on the fucking internet that are just the most boring people, most full of shit, fake lie. That's probably why, is because I just don't, like, I'm not here trying to lie to everybody and express this stuff as a get rich quick scheme. I could do that, right? And express it as a get-rich-quick scheme and be disingenuous to everybody. And that's the shit that gets all the views, right? That's the stuff that has all these people getting fucking milked, all the prop firm bullshit, all the fucking I make 40, 50% a fucking month bullshit. That's what gets views and gets the algorithm coming. And the scalping, it's when people are scalping, sitting here on the fucking 5 minute and the 1 minute chart going, here's my risk to reward ratio of fucking, I can time this market perfectly, and then getting some magical fucking thing. That's what, and then only posting that shit. It's like, that is what the algorithm likes because it's brain rot scalping shit. The fact that I'm a genuine, no bullshit, just say it how it is fucking person just doesn't get me shit early on. I understand that it might do better in the future, but starting this stuff and doing this stuff for fucking months, it's fucking so demotivating. Like, it is so demotivating coming on here every single fucking day and getting like 10 viewers, right? It's so fucking demotivating. But then we magically popped off and TikTok was like, here you go. Here's the viewers you need. Blah, 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 blah. And then they fucking took it away from me because they suspended me. What the fuck? And I was getting suspended fucking like every day. It was cooked. What are you trading? Forex. What's your time frame? High time frame 1 hour for my high time frame bias and then 5 minutes for my entry. But they are more swing trades. Just because I enter on the 5 minute, I'm always looking at the bigger picture. Thank you, Sienna. Yeah, I do. I read everyone's messages. Do you suggest paper trading before anything? Abso-fucking-lutely. Any strategy. Everyone in the mentorship I tell, go demo. Chuck the bot on your charts, go demo. See how it reacts to different things. Understand how it works and why it takes the trades. Obviously, I just dropped the masterclass, which is fucking 2 hours and 40 minutes of pure education. And yeah, I suggest that for as long as possible until you're comfortable. How do you even get more viewers? I don't know, the algorithm's just gotta... I posted a TikTok, right? There's a TikTok right now that I posted last night. It was probably the wrong time. I think it was like fucking 2 a.m. when I posted it. But they keep fucking sending me notifications being like, post stuff and this will boost your viewers. So I was like, fuck it, alright, I'll post something. I'll do the little edit up and fucking, you know, fucking whatever and post it. I probably should have posted it right before going live, to be fair, but I didn't. And still, there's no fucking viewers. Now we kind of, you know, we're kind of climbing up, but 20 compared to our like 80, 90 average, it's like fucking bullshit. Suspended for what? Oh, fucking, who knows? The guy's in here, it's just, it was just a different suspension every day. Gambling, hate speech, bullying, fucking frauds and scams. Frauds and scams I got like 50 times because when I first started, you couldn't have the charts on TikTok. They just get rid of you for frauds and scams. So I had to go without the charts for ages. Because I just kept getting kept getting suspended. I've been suspended probably 15 times. And then randomly last week, the viewers popped off, right? We got a shitload of viewers. We were making progress. We got like we probably got like 1,000 followers on TikTok. Obviously, I don't really have that many followers. I got like 1,000 followers on TikTok within like a week and a half. And then fucking, and then I got suspended from gambling, which didn't even make sense. I was like, what the fuck? And then the viewers just got wiped out. And I was like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, what is this shit? Pisses me off. especially what Forex are you watching right now? I trade 18 different pairs, so I'm not specifically looking at one pair. I'm in multiple different positions. Sells on gold, thoughts? I'll have a look at gold, but I'm not the specific guy for gold. Jesus. I don't know how it reacts to different things. I don't know how it moves, so I don't want to give you any form of bias. Looks pretty good in a technical standpoint. That's all I can give you is a technical standpoint, not a fundamental. And this is basic support and resistance, right? So this is a support level, right? Kind of tapped out, you could call that support. We have one resistance, support turned into resistance here. If we get a little bit more of a pullback, you could take a trade and try and get something like this move. We're super extended. There needs to be a profit take at some point. It's just how far this will go as well with this meeting today, with all the talking heads. I don't know if anything's good for some form of scalp or trade, to be completely honest. I'm not too sure. I apologize, I can't give you a better insight into that. What's the strategy? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion and martingale into a bot that I developed to automate about 70% of my trading. Because a lot of it comes down to psychology, right? You remove the psychology part, which is usually trying to time your entries, makes trading a hell of a lot easier. How much money would you need to day trade full time over 5K or less? Well more than 5K, well more. Do you think Bitcoin is going up? Probably not. Do the likes even help? I don't know, I think so. That's why we got this thing here. I'm not sure. I think the gifts help the most, to be completely honest. I don't, and that's one thing that I don't like. I don't like when people send me gifts. I appreciate it because I know that it's you guys supporting me like crazy. Like, Jack, thank you very much for the you're awesome. I appreciate that. But I don't think, it's not, I don't need the gifts, right? But it does boost your streams quite a bit. Like, when I start getting gifts, the stream usually pops off and I get a lot more viewers. If I get 0 gifts, we're usually down on views, which is kind of annoying because I don't like getting gifts and I usually advise against giving me gifts, which probably hurts me in the long run, but I just don't like doing it. How long were your training days? How long when you first started to when you were comfortable? 2 years. What up, Levi? Wanna play some COD Warzone? Fuck no. Thank you, 3 Alchemy, for the community fest. Oh my god, here we go. Popping off. Thank you very much. No more. You've done enough this stream. No more. Community fest, ice cream cone. You're awesome, bros. Heart puff. GG, love you so much. Thank you. Guys, what the fuck? That wasn't a promotion to start giving me fucking gifts. I was being serious. But thank you. I really appreciate it. It does help. See, now we're climbing up. We just went from 24 to 30. See what I mean? It's weird. It's weird how it works. But thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And the ice cream cone, thank you. If you're not in the Discord, jump in the Discord. Get in here, come talk some shit. We need more shit talkers. We got 3 people. Celia, Marcelo, Maverick, thank you guys very much for joining. I want this Discord to just be popping off. It makes me so happy when I see people chatting to each other and talking about stuff. It's like, yes, guys, go, learn, engage, talk to each other, build the community. It makes me very happy. I like it. Discord's linked in my bio. What up, Anthex? Thoughts on tissue repair ASX now? I have no idea what that even is. I have no idea what that even is. I can have a look for you, Aaron, but there is no, I don't do stocks, so there's no, I have no bias or fucking, I can have a look at it. I don't know if it'll be on Darwin X, on the old broker, but I can have a look. Tissue repair. Doubt it's in here. Oh. Yeah, I don't even know what that is. Oh, let me Google it real quick. Happy to answer any questions you guys have. Remember, no question is dumb, too stupid, anything. Ask me anything. I have no idea what I'm even looking at, to be completely fair. I can only give you so much. Big week, 8%. Pretty big week. But year to date's pretty shit. I mean, looks like it could be a decent long hold, but you'd need to know the ins and out of the actual stock, which that's something that I just can't, like I do not have time to do that, to get into stocks. Could be a good buy. I'm not too sure, to be honest. Sorry. Did you catch gold buy? I don't trade gold. It's raining so hard here. Yeah, isn't there something going on in Sydney? And Jack, thank you for the ice cream cone again. Thank you guys very much. What's the minimum investment amount you recommend for day trading? That's a great question. So, I get this question so much. I just need a set answer. But it's such a difficult, like you could be from fucking Nigeria and me saying $5,000 is like, what the fuck, that's my yearly salary. So, honestly, a couple of grand. But okay, so think about it like this. On average, profitable day trader makes between 3 and 10% a month. 10%'s good. So, I'll show you my figures for last month, if you guys are interested in that. I put it in the mentorship Discord, hold on. So these are the figures for reasons that I don't want to get fucking... So, okay, so you guys might be new. So I got in trouble, and a lot of people got in trouble for this day trading stuff and having communities. So I seeked out advice, and I can't show you anything to do with my money. 9%, 9.05% for last month, sitting in 1.8% drawdown with 21 open trades currently. That's a good month. My average is about 7.5%. Don't listen to this brain rot bullshit on the internet that you're gonna make fucking 50% a month. You won't. You will not. Yeah, there we go. Some people in the Discord. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'll come and talk some shit after. You're welcome, man. I really wish for you to be balling like Tate soon. We're getting there. Maybe not Tate's back, but you know, we're doing good. It's just the social media stuff. I wanna start building more and networking with other people. Like I've networked with a couple of people, but fuck me, disingenuous people that I just don't want a part of. Even though I could get lots of money and lots of clout and shit, it's just stuff that I'm just not gonna do. So I need to get bigger so I get more opportunities, which helps you guys in the long run. And I just want to keep teaching. I love teaching and helping people. Fuck, did I not respond to this message that I got? Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't. Oh my god, I didn't. I was too busy talking about this fucking message that I got that I didn't even fucking reply to it. I'm gonna leave that open and reply to it after. Oh my god. I feel like a terrible person. But thank you, Jack. I do really appreciate it. What trade is this? This is just analysis, I'm in other trades though. If you want to go through my trades, we can. What leverage do you use in your trades? I have 1 to 500 leverage. Have a look, TRP, yeah. Have a look. What's your best candle setup? I don't look at candle setups, to be honest. Inhale. What website would be best to paper trade? I like MT4. Always MT4. I started on like fucking like 5 years ago, plus 500, I think. Maybe it was TradingView and then plus 500, but fucking hell. But yeah, MT4 I've been on for years and years and years. So MT4 and then Black Bull Markets for my broker. My broker's in my bio now. You guys want to fucking use my broker. For Australians, you get 1 to 500 leverage. And it's not some sketchy fucking Seychelles, Bermuda, offshore broker. They're based in New Zealand. What app do I have to have? I just wanted. Alright, yeah, I just explained that. MetaTrader 4. Cheers, bro. Oh, sweet, Aaron. Sorry, I can't give you more insight. I don't know, but like roads are flooded. Yeah, I think I saw briefly on the news something about fucking Sydney, New South Wales weather warning or some shit. Can I ask a strange question? I can't stop biting my nails while trading. Serious question. Any tips? That's an interesting one. I don't know. I guess that just comes down to like your stress levels. You gotta find other ways of stress management. You're probably trading not very well. Not too sure. How do you track your trades, bro? What program do you use? Well, I'm on the charts fucking all the time, right? So I can just track them 24/7. But I do have Quant Analyzer. Is it just Quant Analyzer or is there something? Yeah, Quant Analyzer 4. I have that as well that I can export all my data into. But because I've had multiple accounts with different brokers, it's a nightmare to extract everything. But Quant Analyzer, plus I developed a dashboard as well that has all my open trades and my drawdown and everything. So that's what this is actually. I'll show you guys again. So this is the dashboard that I developed. So what it has here is it has all the symbols, whether it's a seller or buy, the profit, obviously that's blurred out, the drawdown percent, how many lots I'm in, the total amount of trades, and then here it has each individual trade amount. So if I'm in 2 trades, it will say I'm in drawdown, let's just say $1, and then let's just say I'm in profit $1. So that's that. And then what I've done is I've put the date, the profit for that day, the gain percentage. So it'll just have the number, and then that's based on your account size. And then you have your weekly profit, so percentage weekly and monthly. So I can monitor everything from here. And this was the worst thing to code, literally the worst. It took me fucking so long to do this. Oh my fucking God. It was fucked, because I'm not like some programmer, like it was fucking hard. for me to do, but I wanted to have that there for all the guys in the mentorship. So they get it all, they get that for free. You just plop it on your charts, obviously on a VPS, and you just let it run. And you can just monitor that all the time. But people say I don't know what I'm doing. Uncommon, thank you very much for following me. What app is needed? I answered that. Can you trade futures in Australia? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I've never traded futures, but yeah, it's surely. New Zealand is shithouse. You can only trade futures via brokerage. Well, you'd need a broker anyway, wouldn't you? He'll read your question, he reads everyone's. Thank you, Sienna, thank you. I joined. Sweet! I love it, I love it. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick look. Fuck, where are we going? Sorry. Let's have a look. In caps, Ciela, Marcelo Maverick, and El Trimble. Thank you guys very much for joining the Discord. Welcome. I'm free, you can DM me, but be careful, there are fake accounts lurking. Trying to get you to sign up to bullshit. Don't fall for it. How do I get into day trading? Join my Discord. Discord's a link to my bio. Go watch in the affiliate links and socials. No, not in there. In the open chat, there's a free course tab. Jump in there, go watch the video. It's an hour long. It's slow, but it'll give you the complete basics. And then, if you want to keep going, there's a few directions you can take, right? You can go off and do your own thing and try and learn a strategy by yourself. Good luck. You can join my mentorship, where I'll teach you my entire strategy. You get my bot, all that shit, blah, blah, blah. You get the whole blueprint. Or you can just come and message me for free and kind of get maybe a direction. But I don't give away my entire strategy or the very intricate details of it. Unless it's in the mentorship. I gotta have some fucking selling points. That was me, but the vibe is here on TikTok, even if it's shit. Come on, we're chilling. The vibe's always here because I'm here. I got a 90% win rate over 150 trades. Jesus, that's high. I just stopped because of the rules here? Fucking hell. That is impressive. You want gold? No. No. 0 USD. Use alerts, you can't do that, yeah. My For You page is literally just cyclones coming towards Sydney. Really? Fuck. Hope you're all good. Any luck today, bro? Yeah, we got out of Euro Pound, which was an annoying trade that I wanted to get out of. But we got out of Euro Pound on this big move down, and then we came straight back up, which actually blew through last week's high too. So I was in 4 positions on this. Where it was, I don't know, because I had to restart the VPS and got rid of my position entries, which is fucking annoying, but whatever. There was about 4 on here, scaling in, boom, out, done. Fantastic. Just use alerts, bro. Yeah, you can. Who's the broker in the chat here? New Zealand? Black Bull Markets. What are you trading? Forex? If you're a broker, hit up me. I've coded a bot and wouldn't mind trying it in your system. If I'm a broker? Wait, what? I'm so confused. I like it. Full thought this was Brendan Goddard. Who is that? Nope, not that one. I don't want to look it up and it'd be like a Johnny Sins alias or some shit. What's his name? Brendan. What? Okay. Fair enough. Forex. accounts such as Will Gibbs impersonating. Literally, yeah. Can you still not say Will Gibbs? Will Gibb? Like, someone try and type Will Gibb in the chat. I don't know, I don't know who it was, but someone said they couldn't do it. You're welcome. All good. Honestly, don't think it's gonna come because there was supposed to be a couple Will Gibb. Nah, just Gibb. Just Will Gibb. You can? Okay. And that never came? Yeah. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, hopefully. You can't with 2 Bs. With 2 Bs. Have you ever looked into buying Dembles? I don't know what that is. Dembles. I don't know what that is. Google doesn't even. What is it? When America passes these bills, we'll be able to be our own bank and broker if you choose. Really? 4 times chosen. And Chevy, thank you guys very much for following me. Okay, you can say his name. Yeah, I don't know. Somebody said that they couldn't. And I was like, what the fuck? Job application? Yeah, have fun doing one. That's hilarious. Owen, thank you very much for following me. You can, okay. Join server, man! Let's fucking go. Let's go. We'll good. Thank you, Megsy. Any tips for someone wanting to start and what website you use? Join my Discord and watch the 1-hour video. Free video. Discord's free. Links are in my bio. Thank you for following me today. God, I'm funny. God, I'm funny. But for some reason I can't type this way. I'm about to watch the video, then buy to learn more. Buy to learn more. Like join the mentorship? What do you mean buy to learn more? I have a feeling it's gonna be really hard to get to school tomorrow. My front yard is flooded. Fuck. Well, make sure phone's charged, batteries are charged, candles are ready, you know, all that shit. Mentorship, sweet. Enjoying it a good time too, because I just dropped the masterclass video, which is just ball knowledge. Where are you from, Caps? My phone is at 23%. Get it on charge. If you're in here and you haven't liked my video on TikTok, go like it. I doubt it's gonna randomly pop off, but I just need something to just. Something to just, you know, boop. The hell was even that? TXNZIN. That was a nice comment. I like that one. I don't know if he's in here, but hey, we just hit the 5,000 minutes of views in 2 days. I'll take that. I'll take that. Even though our viewership sucks, Whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck do we have here? Hello? Are my eyes deceiving me? I think I'm gonna ban you from giving me any more gifts, Meeksy. Because you really don't need to. Heart Path, You're Awesome, Heart Me, Community Fest, Rose ×2, Fluffy Penguin, Bigfoot. I've never seen that one before. I like it. 10? What are you doing? Tiny Diny, 5 roses from Josh. Thank you very much, Josh. Jelly Snakes, Community Fest, and a finger heart. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you, honestly. Thank you. I really appreciate it. What is this? What is this? There we go. Giving back to the community. I don't know what that is, but I did something. I'm from Missouri. Seriously? I need more American friends. Why did you choose Black Bull, and would you recommend Black Bull? Well, Black Bull is probably the most regulated broker that offers 1 to 500 leverage for Australian clients. Thor with the Tiny Diny. You're getting banned too. Anyone that's in the mentorship gets banned from sending gifts. I hate that I charge for the mentorship in the first place, so you guys are banned. But thank you very much. Very kind of you guys. And Black Bull has like incredible customer support. The only downside is their affiliate program sucks. So I've had like, I don't even know how many people sign up with my affiliate link, and I've never received a cent. So it's whatever. Some brokers give you like insane shit. What the fuck? A rugby ball? Stop it! Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Did you figure out what, like, did I answer your question correctly in the chat? I was a bit confused, I'm not gonna lie. But I was trying to figure it out. And I think I answered it correctly, but yeah. Bro, can we like, what up, Apple user? Fast forward 2 hours, I'm dying for some entries. There you go, guys. Open the goodie bag, I think. I don't know. There's a goodie bag, open it. Open it. Open it. I don't know what to do, but open it. Can you guys open it? Or is it only me that can open it? I don't know what I did. I just saw goodie bag. You don't see it? There's no goodie bag? I don't know. Viewers need to join a goodie bag first. Viewers can join a goodie bag by sending a specific comment or sharing the live. The created, okay, share it. Share it to yourself or some shit. When this will be announced? That's part of the coins. Okay, how do I... Okay. Do I give it? What the actual fuck? Oh, okay. Alright, I'll do it again. Sorry guys. There you go. I had some requirement that you had to send a comment. sorry, stop sharing it, fuck. Sorry. Now there's no requirement and you guys can just, I don't know, there's 5 coins in there, you can have the coins, I don't know. That's all I have, I don't even know how I have them. I think it's from you guys doing that shit and I pressed open. Apple user, are you waiting for New York? I only gave you like in the vid because you do a good Tai Lopez impression. Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. Fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. Do I do it? How good do I do it? Hold up. We're gonna compare. We're gonna compare. I spelled that wrong. Are you serious? Caps just sent a fucking galaxy. What the fuck? Bro, thank you. Like, very much. Like, actually, thank you very much. What the fuck? Bro. Thank you. You're welcome. What the actual fuck? Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Holy shit. Sienna with a heart me, Meegsy, and On Camp with a heart me. Meegsy with a heart puff. What the fuck? You didn't need to do that. But thank you. I think I'll stay on for another 3. Like, I'll be on for 3 hours because that was very kind of you, and I appreciate that a lot. What the fuck? Holy shit! I'm really far behind on comments. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do the Tai Lopez impression. Let me just. Bro, holy shit! Thank you guys very much for all the gifts, big and small. Crazy. Make up because I'm working late tomorrow, so I'll miss the stream. You don't need to send anything! But thank you, Meegsy. Thank you. That's shit. Shit to hear. But yeah, go get that bag. I've done 10k likes. Are you serious? Fuck, she's gone now, but... Fucking hell. 3 Alchemy, 23k. Sienna 10k. Butchie Boy's just hiding away. 3.3. Josh 1.5, Jack 1.3, Chill Whale 1.2, Rabbit Drop Air 1k, Angelo 600, and Fair King 360. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for the fucking support. There's still a goodie bag to go. Someone's got to collect the... Oh, there's returned 1. Okay. I don't understand that, but righto. I don't know. Thank you for everything. Yes, so was I. Don't worry about it. All good. I haven't seen a goodie bag. Okay, yeah, I figured it out. Please don't be mad at me. That's funny. I'm not mad. It's all good. Thank you. No more though. Matty G935 followed and Moody followed. Thank you guys very much for following me. Fair King, your drawer is on the floor. For what reason? Because I got sent a fucking galaxy. The fuck? Radio bias here, you're welcome, thank you. Where do you start a demo account? go to the link in my bio, make an account with Black Bull Markets, a demo account, you don't have to go live, and then download their version of MT4, and you've got a demo account. You sell a course, bro? I have a mentorship. You could say. Brother, what the fuck? Dude, stop! What the fuck? What the actual fuck? For one, you just absolutely obliterated my eardrums. Dude. Caps with the racing debut and the 3 donuts. Bro, that was a lot. Holy fuck. Man, I really appreciate that. Literally more than you know. I'll explain something in a second, but holy shit. That's wild. Bro, thank you. Thank you. Crazy. What's your thoughts on XRP? I have no idea. I'm pretty sure we're still stuck in a range. I'll come back to that in a second, Caps. This range that we've been stuck in for fucking... You don't want to day trade crypto. It's fucking very unpredictable. We're just stuck in an enormous range. I got no thoughts on it. Obviously, there was some news that came out, something to do with the SEC or whatever. I saw a snippet of it, but I don't really give a shit about it, to be honest. I have some XRP and I have some Bitcoin, but it's just away. So, yeah, I don't know. I apologize. I apologize that I can't give you too much more insight, but I'm not too well versed in crypto in the first place. Thank you. Oh, good. Thank you for following me. I'm done. Good. Just wanted to support. You've been answering all these questions for free. Thank you. No, thank you very much. I like the fact that you like acknowledge that means more than the gifts. So obviously I do a lot for free, and I have the free Discord, right, where I spend the majorities of my days answering questions and helping people and everything, and it's like that's the best feeling is like when I get the, you know, gratitude from people for just like helping them out, even if it's just like a message like that with the support. It means, and especially because we're doing real shit right now in terms of viewership, like it's really bad. So like the support when things are not doing as well means like a million times more than, you know, anything. Just the messages and the engagement and everything, and obviously you're spending money, it means a lot in terms of like actually valuing that sort of stuff instead of thinking about the money. It's more of like the actual support that means a lot. So I do like seriously appreciate everyone that supports, anyone that puts anything in this fucking stream or even comments or likes the stream. It's like we're down bad right now from TikTok, so it does mean a lot. And fuck, man, that's a lot. So I appreciate that a lot. You don't need to do that shit. So thank you. Break out the XRP soon? I've got no idea. Do you know much about the Ripple US case? Use XRP for cross-border payments? I do not know. No. You'd know more about that than me, because I have no idea what the fuck that even is. Use XRP. Yeah, nah, I got no idea. Is that what just came out recently with like the fucking SEC or some shit with their lawsuit stuff? Caps, man, that's fucking nuts. Patience with XRP. Yeah, like, I don't doubt for 1 second. I need the caffeine. It's getting all over my fucking face again. Oh, it's in my eye. It stings. I think I got everything. Yeah, so I don't doubt that the majority of cryptos, I was like, what the fuck, this isn't like crypto, it's pound CAD. I don't doubt that the majority of cryptos, even Bitcoin, so when Bitcoin was really down bad, like down here, right? I was getting constant Bitcoin. What do I do? I was like, I have no doubt in my mind that we will hit all-time highs again. No doubt that we'll hit all-time highs again. The problem with it is how much drawdown, especially if you're trading with leverage, how much drawdown can you handle? So if you enter here on a leverage position and it drops to here, are you gonna wipe out your account? If so, probably don't enter there. Don't risk it, you know, or drop the risk all the way down to try and make a bit of money from it. If you're not leveraged, you need a significant amount of capital to make a significant amount of money. So it's difficult, right? And it's the same with XRP. I do not doubt for 1 second that we will get up to all-time highs at some point again. It's how long, what if we drop down to our November figures, you know, down to this 50 cent mark? What happens if we get down there? Because we can, very easily, we can get down here. What happens if we get down here? Can you hold that? Can you handle that? Or even if we drop down to the lows from this bull run, you know? Can you handle getting down to here without blowing your account, getting margin called if you're leveraged? That's what you got to think about. So I do not doubt that there will be some hyped up event that pushes XRP up. Even Ethereum, I think Ethereum's an extremely good buy right now, but it's how much can you handle to get back all the way up to all-time highs? What if we get back down to here? Bro, are you fucking serious? There's actually no fucking way. Are you actually fucking serious? There is actually no fucking way. 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 Bro, are you fucking serious? There is no fucking way that that just happened. Bro, what the fuck? I really hope you have an amazing and wonderful stream. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? It's not that much. Yes, it the fuck is. Bro, I don't even know what to say. I actually don't even know what to say. $70. What the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Are we all seeing this? Right, we're pinning this. Are you fucking kidding me? 4,888. What the fuck? Oh my god. Bro. I actually can't believe that. What the fuck? Man, you have no idea how much that fucking means, bro. Like, when we're down bad too. We're down bad and you pull that shit out? What the fuck? Is this your first time being in here? Holy shit. Bro, you have no idea. What the fuck? Let me catch up and then I'll come down to this, whatever the mind-blowing events. It's really good to have someone from down under talking about trading and giving you advice. Of course, this is not financial advice, it's for entertainment purpose only. Australian Security and Investments Committee. The last drop is worthless. No, it's not. Bro, was this a wrong time to join the live? What is happening? What are you talking about? Tom speaking, Tommy really loves his energy drinks. Some say maybe too much. G'day B, what's good? Welcome back. I really hope you haven't made it. Bro, you are fucking... That's just insane. Thank you. Apano, thank you very much for following. I'll be joining the mentorship tomorrow. You have my undivided attention. And devotion. It's not that much, bro, it is. You've been live for a few hours with an amazing vibe. And yes, first time. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Like, seriously, like, bro. Like, it puts me on bigger ranks and stuff for TikTok, so hopefully they'd like me more and fucking, like, bro, thank you. So much, you have no idea. So much. Fucking hell. I already gave you the spiel just before you said that, so like fucking... Yeah. Fuck. Insane. I think that's the second biggest gift ever. And the first was when I like... It was like a month after I started and this guy sent some ridiculous fucking thing. Which is just so random, and that's just fucking insane. I'm like, I have not received a gift that big, like almost since I started. So bro, like thank you. Like Meeksy was probably in here when that battle happened. If you're still in here, Meeksy, she might have left, but she might have been around. Jesus, interesting to see what do you mean by that? Interesting to see what that does for you. Do you trade with leverage? Yep. Hey G, what up, Ray? Coricho, thank you very much for following. Do a backflip? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. My back is fucked. I can't do anything right now. Even training sucks. Fuck, man. I actually can't believe that, bro. Thank you so much. Aries, brother, you missed out. Have a look at this shit. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, Aries, I was just talking about, were you here with the battle between, the ego battle between Josh and Fletcher? I feel like you were here. Yeah, that was fucked. I was just talking about that. That was when Josh sent that, like, I think it was like a Rose Nebula. It was like fucking 16,000 gift. Dude, that is a big fucking gift though. That's fucking nuts. But what's good? How are you, Aries? Australian full-time job? Yes. Bro, crazy. Yeah. Had noodles for a week. Right, dead set. That was actually fucked. Like, that was all together. Do you know how much that was in money before TikTok took their cut? Have a guess at how much money they sent together. No, before TikTok took their cut. Oh, if that's what you're asking. If that's what you're saying. It was 1.2k. It was fucked. Yeah, they sent 1.2k worth of gifts. Yeah. It was fucking absolutely ridiculous. Hey man, Joseph followed. Thank you very much. That's someone's paycheck. I know, bro. I know. And then TikTok took like 70% of it. And I ended up with like 400 and something, which was just fucked in general. I was like, what the actual fuck? Because that came out of nowhere too. That wasn't like some pre-planned fucking everyone jump in, let's have a fucking big battle on fucking battling people. That was just random fucking, but bro, Caps just sent this fucking thing, which that's gotta be the second biggest gift. That's fucking huge. But yeah, 1.2k, I was like, and then they just like never come back. They just had some ego battle and then fucked off. I'm pretty sure you were jumping in on it too. You probably sent some shit. Sean was sending shit as well. No one could fuck, like, that was just, the two of them just egoed it out. It was fucking insane. MFI? Yeah, I remember you guys fucking hooked us up, which I appreciate. Yeah, so altogether, you contributed to that. It was fucking nuts. Like, it was nuts. I think that's like, I reckon from TikTok, I might have made like, I don't even know, like $600 or some shit. And I reckon the majority of that came from them. The rest of them are like, from like the odd galaxy here and there. But this is fucking nuts from Caps. Like, what the actual fuck? Like, what the actual fuck? Fucking absolutely insane. But yeah, I appreciate your contribution here. Man, you've got a huge gifter level. What the or member level? How did I not know that? Oh, anyway, I look forward. Oh, right, yeah. No, he's gone. Whatever. Fuck, man. No. GG to that guy. That was fucking insane. Fucking absolutely insane. Aries, we're doing down bad on fucking viewers at the moment. I gotta go. Have a good one. See you Thursday. See you later, Migsy. Have a good day tomorrow. Try and smash it out. And yeah, I'll see you on Thursday. If you need me, I'll be in Discord. Dat Boy Evil 23. Thank you very much for following me. Bro, what the fuck? Yeah, Aries, bro, do you remember like 2 fucking weeks ago, or a week and a half ago, we were having like fucking 80, we were peaking, my highest was 143 fucking viewers in the stream. Now look at us. The fuck is this shit? TikTok hates me. Thank you, Migsy, for all the likes and all the gifts. I very much appreciate it. Very, 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 actually, no likes today. But I still thank you for the likes all the time anyway, because you've given me like 200,000. But I appreciate the gifts. So thank you very much. Fucking crazy day today, man. What the fuck? Everyone, 3 Alchemy, Thor, Owen, thank you guys. Alrighty, let's have a look. Dat Boy Evil again. I just started trading. Nice. Welcome to the club. What type of strategy do you trade, bro? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean version of martingale. What do you think of ICT? He's a fucking scammer. He's full of shit. Doesn't know what he's talking about. And has like ruined the industry. Absolutely ruined it. Man, what the heck? Crazy, bro. Crazy. Can't believe that. Let's see how many people jumped in the Discord. We're so close to 400. 387. How do you feel about funded trading accounts? Is it worth it? For a beginner, no. Absolutely not. It's a get rich quick scheme for like prop firms just raking in the money from challenges that people fail. It's virtually impossible to pass them and hold a funded account. It's not worth it if you're a beginner. If you're an advanced trader, you can take advantage of it, but you have to understand that it will blow. And there will be times where you don't pass and you can't do anything about that. You literally cannot. So it's worth it for someone like me who's been doing this for a very long time, and I can put a few of the profits that I make from my live account to, you know, $500,000 accounts and fucking try and pass them and then make my money back quickly, and then maybe a little bit extra that I can chuck into my live account or pay myself, do something, whatever. But yeah, it's not usually that good for beginners. I don't recommend it. The rules are too strict, and if the rules aren't strict enough, you're gonna pass and then you're gonna fucking find some other shit. They're gonna find some other fucking rule that magically exists now and they won't pay you out. So it's shit. And they don't allow a lot of strategies. They don't allow my strategy because they know it works. That's the problem. The majority of the time they don't allow expert advisors because they know that expert advisors work because it removes psychology, and the majority of the time psychology is such a large barrier to profitability and consistency in trading. So that's why they don't allow expert advisors. That's why I use an expert advisor.
Meow.
Fuck, we got 10 minutes. I'm like dying to piss, but I'm trying to hold out. Right, thank you again for fucking sending that shit, man. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Shit. I resell. I'll make it all back in the day. Oh, true. Is this your Is this your TikTok? I don't think it's like a. If you have a fucking reselling TikTok, plug it. I mean, there's not really many people in here, but you know. Fucking absolutely insane, man. Oh shit! I don't think. What's his face is in here? I can't remember his name. It's like Denang or some shit. Denang? Dang. I don't think Dang's in here anymore. I was meant to do the fucking Owen, are you in here? I don't know if Owen's in here. Bro, I get the weirdest message requests. It's actually hilarious. If you haven't liked my new TikTok, go like it. Go comment. Maybe it will pop off. I doubt it, but maybe. Hey man, Aussie Pokey Rips. Thank you very much for following me. It's my personal page. Can you teach me how to do this? Absolutely. Discord's linked to my bio. Go watch the 1 hour free video. And then either join the mentorship or come have a chat to me. Or go out on your own and try and find your own strategy. Are you able to show us? Yes. What's something I can show? Hello, Gia. Thank you very much. This one I'm still in. Find one that I got out of. Still in that one, still in that one. My VPS reset, so everything that I was in has been removed. Still in that. I'm in a lot of trades right now. I'm just trying to find one that has been completed. I haven't had any. I had pound CAD, I think, yesterday. Okay, here's one. We had a pound CAD yesterday. We had our extension down, bot detected that, got us in. This would have been straight up to TP most likely, because we did get out of that yesterday. But if it didn't, we would have bounced off of yesterday's low, came straight back up. If TP was any higher, if I adjusted it, tick, cash. I didn't even have to do anything for this trade. The bot did it all. We had our extension down, got in, out. Cash dollars in the bank. What you're seeing here, when we go down here, is if they don't hit take profit straight away. So, for example, zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. For example, we had our extension down. This was obviously a longer extension, but we had our extension down. We had a reversal, bot takes a trade. Our TP was probably up at last week's low. We didn't quite get the pushback that we needed, so we continued down. We got in again. What that does is our break even's here, right? So it brings our break even all the way back down here. So we only need a small pushback to get back up. Oh no, it dropped again. We don't give a shit. We'll wait for another extension based off of a specific indicator that is not very well used on the fucking internet. And then it'll detect that, it'll get us into another one. If we get a little bit more of an extension back down, to a third trade if needed. That'll bring our break even down even more. So we only need a small pullback to get into profit or to break even and then take some profit. So I'm usually in trades all the time, in and out, constantly scaling into positions, waiting for our reversals. I only risk 0.25% of my account from my initial trade, and then each subsequent trade is 1.3 times more. So each subsequent trade is 1.3x the lot size. I feel like it's going to be harder for me to start since I'm underage. Oh, fuck, yeah. How underage are you? Yeah, that's lit. Do you sell this EA bot? I don't. I give it for free to the mentorship guys. How long does it take to understand all the basics of trading? It depends on who you are. That's like asking someone how long does it take for you to learn a language compared to me. It's going to be completely different every time. In my video, I do have a little bit of a breakdown. The basics can be done quite quickly. However, there's lots of other things that you've got to work on when starting out. Cap 17. I mean, that should be fine. I recommend demo trading anyway. Like, regardless, you should be demo trading. If you just turned 17, I'd probably wait. But at the same time, so it took me 2.5 years, sorry, not 2.5 years, a year and a half to find my original mentor years ago and learn properly, right? I did a year and a half of mistakes, learning from bullshit internet gurus who had no idea what the fuck they were talking about. January, it'll be fine. 6 months is pretty good. But it took me 2 years to like actually put a cent of my money in. So you'd probably be fine. Speedy, what's good? George, with Tom's EA, you can learn as you watch your account grow. You can, yeah. So I can paper trade till 18, yeah. I spent 50k on mistakes, yep, yeah. That's why I didn't go live, right? I focused on education until I was competent. If it was gonna take me 5 years, it was gonna take me 5 years. It only took me 2, because I luckily found my old mentor. But if I didn't, I'd be fucked. How you doing, Speedy? Megsy was asking about you earlier. Oh, fantastic. I'm about to know. Oh! 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 Oh, Jesus. I don't even know what to do there. Fuck. Oh. Oh. Think. I'll have to look in a second. Cinematic video, thank you very much for following me. What do you think of crypto? Rubbish. I was doing a lot of similar type trading with leverage and options with leverage as a whole game. Yeah. Definitely in the danger zone. Fuck yeah. What happened to bro? Doesn't matter. Speedy can save if he wants. How do you make the boxes on TradingView? I don't know, I don't use TradingView. Are you good? Yeah, I'm good. I'm trying to think. Can you send me all the positions? I have to do a couple of things after the live, but I'm gonna have a look. We have all the talking heads at 10:30. 11:30, sorry. Holy shit. Please don't tell me it's still taking positions. Thank you. Fuck, this could make or break you. It's going down, you reckon? Alright, I'm gonna have a look. Or is it going down? I don't know. Too much risk. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. Okay, there's barely anyone in here. Let me piss real quick and then I'm gonna take a look. I'll stay on. Just give me a sec. If you have time, if you've got to leave, then obviously I won't, but if you have time, I'll have a look. Okay. Yeah, let's hope not. Let's hope not. Let's hope not. Let's pray that 11:30 we get some fucking news that brings us back. What pair is this? Pound US dollar. How do you think gold will do that? I have no idea, I don't trade gold. I'm actually gonna jump off. Lads and lasses, if you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. Bot did dirty. He probably won't care if I fucking talk about it. Do you care, Speedy, if I talk about what happened? I fucking highly doubt you would. Okay. Yeah, so the bot is very versatile, right? So you can run many different variations of it. I run a more conservative swing type strategy, data swing. So it's a lot slower than what Speedy's doing. So that's Visionary AI Reels. If you haven't realized, that's Speedy. It's just his name in Discord, is what I call him. So there's lots of different variations that you can do, and you can run super risky strategies that are going to get you just in constantly and then try and get you out. And it can yield really good profits very quickly, right? Which is what he was doing, and he made a fucking shitload of money. And well, I wouldn't say like it was like a shitload of money, but the profit gain, the percentage profit gain was fucking insane, right? Like absolutely crazy. But it's such a high risk strategy and risks blowing the account that you can't run it long term. And it's risky if if you just jump on it and start any day, it's still gonna be risky. So that's not what I recommend, is going that aggressive. My strategy, so his strategy like last month would have done fucking, I don't even know, like 80% or some shit, 70%, 60%, something like that for the month, where I did like 7%, you know what I mean? So mine's a lot more slow and conservative, where his is a lot more aggressive and high risk, and you run the risk of blowing the account, which is inevitable if you run that strategy, but you can make really quick profits really quickly by doing that. It's just super risky to your account. So he was running the bot, he was just running a super risky strategy. Ran for 8 weeks making plus 30%. Yeah, dude, it was fucked. Like every week you were like, I made fucking 20% this week. There was one week where you did like 60%. I was like, what the fuck? That's like fucking 7 months, 8 months for me. How the fuck do you do that in a week? Like it was crazy. But it will blow your account eventually, and there are risks running that. So you can get ahead very quickly, but you can also go back to square one. But I'm gonna have to try and figure out to see if there's any chance of getting out of that alive. The only way that you can kind of just completely get out of the woods, which this isn't available to everyone, and I understand that, but it's just depositing a shitload of money and turning it off and just letting it play out. That's the only thing that will just get you out and save you from blowing the account. But that's obviously not always available, and that's the first thing that comes to my head. And that's actually something my old mentor used to do when he would experiment live like a psychopath. He would do that shit. He would fucking run a strategy live for some fucking reason, and then just deposit a shitload of money if he gets caught out. It's fucking psychotic. But yeah, whatever. Yeah, it's hectic. Hopefully you took some profits out, Speedy. Nah, he's building. I didn't know you did loans, bro. Me? Yeah, no, I know. I just, that's the only thing that comes to mind to get out of it. No, like I understand. But that's not just readily available to everyone. But fuck, I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to have a look. Man, I knew the risk. Yeah, I know. I feel bad. I'm like, should I have said it more? Like, that it'll blow. I don't know. I think I did say it like fucking 100 times, but it's like, fuck. I just feel like kind of responsible at the same time. I just ran it for a few weeks longer than I should. Let's all pray for Speedy. We're praying and hoping. We're praying and hoping. It could be good, right? We do have some hope. If whatever the fuck happens here goes in your direction, you chill. If it doesn't, it's game over. So tonight will probably be, and we have PMIs and jolts. Tonight will probably be the deciding factor of whether you have an account tomorrow or not. Which I'm going to be so depressed about if it does blow. Like, that's going to fucking eat me alive. But hopefully we can get out of it. But hopefully as well, the knowledge that you've learned from this is like extremely valuable. Trying to warn me multiple times. I know, but I just like, fuck. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Where can I join the Discord? Discord's linked to my bio. When you go onto the link, the external browser, Speedy's in the mentorship though. So he gets all the bot and fucking all that shit. Fuck! Yeah. Does that mean Big Wheels is cooked too? Fucking hell. It's not as bad, alright. He fucking messaged me how much you made everything, bro. What do you mean? How much money do I have? Billions of dollars. He fucking messaged me. I did this to him and Oscar. They both messaged me nice messages when I was on the phone with my girlfriend. It's fucking sitting here reading them out, being like, I fucking love these guys. They're fucking, like, this is so nice, this is fucking amazing, blah, 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 talking about it, saying how happy it makes me, and I forget to fucking reply. Like, because it just gets lost in this fucking, I need like a priority messages from you guys to keep them pinned or some shit. Because there I am, sitting fucking being like, oh, listen to this amazing message. And then get fucking lost in the fucking mix. How much you make every day? Like $1 million a day. When's XRP? I don't know. I'm getting off, guys. I gotta get off. I have so much shit to do. And I've been on here for 3 hours again. So I'm gonna boost. Speedy, I'll have a look for you. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen with this. With all of the talking heads talking at once. I have no idea. I'll pull baby 3 hours. Yeah. Have a good night. Caps, thank you so unbelievably much. Are you selling any course? I have a mentorship, yeah. The link's in my bio. Pray, bro, that's it, yeah. Do you like pullbacks or breakout strategies? Pullbacks. Have a good night, I'll see you tomorrow. Bro, thank you so much. And thank you everyone for all the likes, all the support. the comments, the gifts, fucking everything. Everything. It's fucking amazing. I really appreciate that. So you guys have a fantastic evening. Pullbacks why it's more successful. It's just based on my strategy. Have a fantastic evening, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And Speedy, I'll talk to you in a second. I gotta do something and then I'll be back. But yeah. Anyway, good night, guys. Have a fantastic evening. I'll be back tomorrow at 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Join the Discord, follow on TikTok, Instagram, fucking everything. Bye.